If you are wondering if we have dual app feature on the Motorola Moto G87, then the answer is yes, we actually do have a dual app feature. It is possible to clone apps, but it is actually very limited. So if we go to settings and proceed to apps over here, then you should be able to find cloned apps option. And here you can find certain apps that you have installed that you can duplicate. But the list of supported apps is, it seems to be very short, and only some messaging or some social media apps, maybe not even social media apps, but some messaging apps can be cloned in here. So you can just use this plus button to create the second version. Now, in case you want to duplicate an app that is not available here in this menu, then you can, for example, use a secure folder. You can set up a secure folder, you can install apps over here, and they are separate instances, they are just separate apps, and they don't have to share data with the same apps that we have outside of the secure folder. If you want to set up the secure folder, then you can go to settings, of course, and over here go to security and privacy, then scroll all the way down and go to more security and privacy, and then over here we should be able to find the secure folder and you should be able to set it up. Leave a like and subscribe.